Kids are now working with AutoCAD and SketchUp 3D and all kinds of 3D programming, and with a 3D printer they're allowed to see that their artwork that they've created comes to life. So it's definitely something interesting, and it keeps their attention, and of children of all ages, or any students of all ages. You could find 3D renderings of objects that aren't readily available in schools. So if you need to show your students a certain fossil that you may not have access to, you can locate that file on a computer and print it, and then now the students have a life-size rendering of that fossil that they can hold and feel. So the smaller replicators, you're going to not be able to build something quite as big, and the more expensive ones and bigger ones, you're going to be able to create them faster and bigger. So that's some of the main differences. Also, types of filament that you can use. So some take one filament, you can actually use two colors at one time. So the main question that teachers generally ask about 3D printer is, how much do the materials cost? The PLA plastic filament it's just plastic spools of filament. We work at trade shows and we run our 3D printer, and we'll run it for 3 days straight, 8 hours a day, and barely touch a spool of filament. So when I look at an object that's probably about 4 by 4, it probably costs about less than 2 or 3 cents. So the materials are extremely inexpensive when it comes to 3D printing. Thank you for tuning into our video about 3D printing. Thanks, and have a great day.